Hey guys, it's Sydney and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another episode of my Spring Trend Guide. So in case you're new here, hi. The Spring Trend Guide is a series where I go to New York Fashion Week, break down all the trends and show you how to wear them in real life. So make sure to subscribe if you don't already. And today we're talking about one of the easiest ways to bring spring into your wardrobe with handbags. In today's episode, I wanted to bring you 5 handbag trends because A, they're a super easy way to inject a little spring into your wardrobe. You can wear them with any outfit from denim to white to black. And B, there are so many handbag styles for spring, so lots that I'm excited about. So let's start with the circle bag. The circle bag, like it sounds, is a bag that is shaped in a circle. I feel like I'm giving a little geometry lesson right now. What's cool about this bag is it gives a bit of a retro vibe to any look. So I've been wearing mine with jeans, with dresses, and this one you can wear multiple ways. So you can wear it as a crossbody, which I do almost every day, or you can take off the strap and hold it by its handle. So it's really cute, fun. I went with white because white is a huge color for spring as well. Trend number 2 is the belt bag. So I know a lot of you are probably thinking belt bag, isn't that essentially a fanny pack? Yes and no. So it is a fanny pack in the aspect that it goes around your waist, but it's not like that neon bag that you probably wore going to Disney with your parents. At least I did when I was a kid in the 80s and 90s. So this one is a lot more elevated. You probably have seen a ton of celebrities and street style stars wearing the Gucci ones and the Prada one. I found one that was more in my budget. I also liked the blush because I felt like it was a bit softer. Now you can wear this bag multiple ways. You can wear it as a belt around your jeans or pants, and it just adds a little space where you can throw in your phone or some keys or some money, or you can use it to cinch your waist. So you can wear it over dresses and tops to cinch your waist like a waist belt. And those are my 2 favorite ways to wear it. The third way is over your shoulder. You've seen a lot of celebrities do this, probably like Kendall Jenner. It's a little more out there, but it's definitely another option. Trend number 3 is bucket bags. So a bucket bag, like it says, is shaped like a bucket. So these bags came in style last year and now they're more popular than ever. These 2 are actually from my friend's line. We grew up together in Miami and I think they are just so beautiful. So the first one is rainbow. So rainbow is another trend for spring. I think it's very difficult to wear in clothing, but an accessory is a great choice and it adds a pop of color to any outfit. And since it has so many colors, you can pair it with anything. And the second one is more of a neutral, and you'll see the bamboo tone on it. So any earthy elements are also really big for spring. So you'll notice that a bunch of these bags have more trends in one. And what I like about this bag is it's great for vacation because it's just something cute you can carry along with you, and you can wear it multiple ways. You can hold it, you can put it over your wrist, and these are great because some bucket bags are wide open, but this one actually has a little ribbon inside so your stuff doesn't fall out. Trend number 4 is straw bags. There are so many ways to wear this trend. Straw beach tote is a great option. I had so many that I wore over the summer, so you can definitely find some of those. These 2 bags right here are more of day to night type handbags. So you'll notice this one is back to the circle trend. So 2 trends in one right here. You can wear it as a crossbody, you can wear it over your shoulder. I loved this one so much from last summer that I got it in black as well. So I have this in 2 different colors. This one you can wear as a clutch, and then it also opens up so you can wear it as a shoulder or crossbody, which is really cool. So the only thing to note when ordering these bags is there's a few different designers who make them, and the real ones come from Bali often. So they have, this one still smells a little bit, this one doesn't as I hit my head, but they have a little bit of a smell to them because they're made from natural elements. So I hung this one on my balcony, the smell went away. So when you order these bags online, just make sure to air it out outside before you wear them. And for our final trend, pastel bags. So remember last week was all about pastels. If you haven't already, you can check out that episode. Pastel handbags are a great way to do pastels if you don't want to do the full outfits. You can do lavender, which is a huge color this year. I personally like light pink the best because I feel like it's almost a neutral. So this bag right here is pretty cool because it's convertible. So you can wear it as a clutch. And then inside is 2 different straps. So you can open it and wear it as a crossbody with a leather strap, Or there is also so many things, a chain strap. So I love bags that are really versatile because you can get a lot of use out of them. So I hope you guys enjoyed that handbag series of the Spring Trend Guide. Again, handbags are such an easy way to incorporate spring into your outfit, whatever you are wearing. And you can always head over to my blog, Sydne Style, to see where you can shop a bunch of the different trends we were talking about. And I want to see how you guys are wearing them at home. So throughout the series, we're using the hashtag #SSTrendGuide. So just upload a photo to Instagram and tag SS Trend Guide and @SydneSummer. And I post my favorite trend girls of the week over on my Facebook page and weekly newsletter, and I give them a shout out on Insta stories. So you'll want to follow along to see if you made the fashion cut. And if you have any questions, you can always ask me in the comment section below. I link to all the bags in the comments as well. And make sure to subscribe if you don't already, because there's a brand new trend guide coming up next Thursday. The body. The body. Okay.
Rolling on.
So. Alexa! Listen to me! In case you're new to the spring, I'll get back in the hang of it soon, I promise.